Now, Syndlab allows you to automatically syndicate your content to over 30 different social sites in a matter of minutes, okay? And in this video, I'm gonna walk you through exactly how you can do that. All right, now before I do so, I wanna show you just a few results that I was able to get over the last day or so of me being able to rank a couple of videos on the first page of Google very quickly, okay? So here you can see I'm ranking for a very high converting keyword, and this is a keyword for a product in the tech space, ranked in 23 hours. Here, this is a different variation of this keyword, of this product, a different variation of a keyword for this same product, okay? And this is another video ranked in 23 minutes. Okay, same thing here, another the singular version of this ranking here, ranking within 25 minutes. This one here, battling up against two very powerful YouTube accounts in the tech space. I'm ranking right beneath them in 26 minutes. Okay, and here in just 9 minutes, ranking for the singular version of the first keyword. Okay, so multiple rankings, 5 different rankings within the last day or so, 2 videos that I ranked for multiple different keywords, okay, and buyer keywords. That's the key as well. People that are looking for reviews of products are looking to buy something, okay? So let me quickly show you how I was able to achieve these results using the power of social syndication, okay? Now, social syndication is the new SEO. It's what is going to allow you to quickly rank on the first page of Google, whether it's for your videos or your niche sites, okay? Google loves social syndication, okay? Google knows that that's where people go to get their content, and if your content is on these different social sites, Google is going to take notice and reward you with page 1 rankings, okay? All of the junk backlinking strategies that used to work are no longer working. Google has gotten smarter, and now social syndication is the new SEO, and it's what is going to allow you to get results. But at the same time, syndicating your content across multiple different social sites isn't just beneficial for rankings purposes, but for getting traffic from these social sites as well. Okay, so if you're running an e-commerce store and you need to syndicate your new products across all your different social profiles, you can use Syndlab for that reason. If you're a blogger and you need to syndicate your content across all your different social profiles, you can use Syndlab for that as well. If you're doing any social media management for clients and you need to manage multiple clients' content and social media, you can use Syndlab for that as well. Okay, so we have multiple ways for you to leverage this software to make a massive profit online, and I'm going to show you just how simple we've made it for you to do that. Okay, so here we are in the main dashboard. Here you'll get just a quick snapshot of what's going on in your account, how many accounts you have, how many groups, and how many syndications. Just a quick snapshot of what's going on. All right, now we've broken everything up to be very simple. Okay, we have accounts, we have account groups, campaigns, reports, spinning, and obviously some bonuses here for you. Okay, now accounts is where you come in here and you simply add the account where you want to syndicate your content. Okay, now one big update that we've made with the 2.0 version is we've increased the integrations from 21 different social sites to 30 different social sites. Okay, so that's going to allow you to get more reach and syndicate your content on more social sites than you would in version 1.0. Okay, so to add an account is very simple. Come here to add account. Now, depending on which service you're adding, it's going to be different, the way that you integrate. Okay, it's either going to be here you can assign it to a group as well. So when you select the service, it's either going to be one-click authorization, like you normally see when you authorize an app to be able to access your account, or you just add the username and password like you would when you're logging in. Okay, so with Twitter, all you have to do is just click add, and it'll do the one-click authorization like many of you have probably seen before. So authorize app, and that's it. That's all it takes to add a new Twitter account. Okay, I can go ahead and assign it to a group as well. All right, so let me just go ahead and assign it to this bookmarks tab, click save, and that's how simple it is to come in here and add an account. Okay, let me show you how you add a WordPress account really quickly. Okay, so if I'm adding a WordPress account, okay, let's do WordPress.com. Let's do WordPress.org. Sorry, so I can show you. So here you can see with WordPress.org, it's a little bit different. You just put your WordPress URL, the login, and the password, and you're good to go. Okay, so now that you've got accounts added, like I said, you can also assign them to the different groups. So to create a new group, you can come here, add group, demo group, click add. All right, and here I don't have any accounts assigned to this group yet, so I can click here and just start assigning different accounts to this group. Okay, click assign. And the reason that we added the different account groups is, so that if you're running an e-commerce store and you're also running a blog and you're also running, let's say, a client's account, you can keep them in different groups. Okay, another thing that you can do is create different groups for different services. So if you want to just syndicate your content to bookmarking sites, you can create a group just for bookmarking sites. If you want to syndicate your content to just social sites like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, things like that, you can have a group just for that and keep everything nice and organized. Okay, and another thing that I wanted to show you real quick as well is we have 30 different services that we integrate with. Okay, so you can choose from all these different types of sites, and you can see we have social sites like Facebook, Twitter, video sites like YouTube, Vimeo, Dailymotion, bookmarking sites. Okay, we have image sharing sites, PDF sharing sites, all different types of sites to be able to give you the biggest opportunity to go out there and just syndicate your content all over the web. Okay, now another thing to keep in mind as well is, although we have 30 different services that we integrate with, there is no limit to the amount of accounts you can have per service. Okay, so if I have 10 Twitter accounts, I can add 10 Twitter accounts. If I have 10 YouTube accounts, I can add 10 YouTube accounts. If I have 10 WordPress accounts, I can have 10 WordPress accounts. Okay, so this is another very powerful feature, because if you're running, let's say, a private blog network of Web 2.0 sites, okay, you can come in here and add your entire blog network and use Syndlab to syndicate to your blog network. Okay, if you have a self-hosted PBN, you can do the same thing. Come in here and add all your WordPress accounts and publish to your different WordPress accounts, all from within Syndlab. Okay, so once you have your accounts and your accounts group set up, now you can create a campaign. Okay, so I'm going to come here, click add a campaign, and you're going to be presented with two options. You can either post to a single account or an entire accounts group. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and do demo Twitter. Okay, and I'm going to post to that Twitter account that I just created. Click create, click OK, and now I'm taken to the editor tab. Okay, so I'm going to come here and just put this is a demo post and put a URL here, and obviously this would be the URL that I actually want to syndicate, but for the purpose of this demo, I'm just going to syndicate Google. All right, and here we have different options as well. You can have the campaign start immediately or on a specific date by scheduling it for the future here. Okay, I'm just going to click on save. And another powerful feature that we added in 2.0 as well is the ability to preview all of your campaigns. Okay, and once I hit save, that campaign is now going to be syndicated because I selected for it to be syndicated immediately. All right. So you can see ready for syndication, and within a few seconds this is going to go ahead and be syndicated. If I refresh, it should be completed. All right, campaign in progress. So in about another few seconds that should be completed. Okay, so let's go ahead and continue with this demo. I just showed you how you can syndicate to a single account. Let me just show you how you can syndicate to an entire accounts group. Okay, but what I want to do is show you a very powerful feature that we've just added to our 2.0 version as well. So here you can see you can clone campaigns. So if let's say you have multiple videos, just like I did here, where I ranked the multiple videos for the same types of keywords. I can come in here, instead of creating an entire campaign again, I can just hit clone campaign, copy everything, and now instead of having to create an entire campaign again, everything has just been copied. And since I'm targeting the same keyword with 2 different videos, I can just quickly edit the video URL and have everything else stay in place. Okay, so you can see here I added a URL here, so it can be embedded, and the bookmark editor as well. Okay, so if I hit preview, now I'll be able to preview each of those different options. So this is how it looks when you syndicate to multiple services which are in an account group. And then what I showed you previously was how to just publish to one account. Okay, so if I hit save, that is now going to go ahead and be syndicated. All right, ready for syndication, as you can see. All right, and this is probably going to take a little longer than this one, and you can see this one has already been completed. All right, so that's how easy it is to syndicate to an entire group, but I showed you a shortcut by cloning the campaign. Okay, otherwise I would have to come here, go to add a campaign, and then go through the process of setting everything up. But for the purpose of this demo video, I just wanted to show you a quick way of doing it. Okay, so we made that feature available so that our users can come in here and be a lot quicker with their campaigns without having to start from scratch each time. Another powerful feature that we added was to retry failed syndications. Okay, this is going to allow you to easily get more syndication with just one click by allowing you to retry any failed syndications that didn't go through for one reason or another. Okay, so that's how easy it is to come in here and syndicate your content all across the web within just a matter of a few clicks. Okay, once all your campaigns that you've set up have syndicated, we do have our reports tab as well, and that'll give you reports on absolutely everything. Okay, so you can see this copy that I just the campaign that I just copied has already completed syndication. Okay, so I can view some of these campaigns that have just completed, and you can see here, all right, this not only published my content but also embedded my video. Okay, here is the link that was added. All right, link that was added here, and also a link here. All right, so here's the link, and here's another link. Okay, so we have full reports here on this page, and another powerful feature that we added to the 2.0 version. 2.0 version is the ability to download your campaigns in one click, so you can do further indexing, provide reports, or whatever it is you want to do. And we also provide the RSS feed of your campaigns for the same purpose. You can do further indexing, you can submit them to Syndlab and syndicate them, do pretty much anything you like. All right, so that's how powerful Syndlab is, guys. It allows you to go out there and get some very quick results, get your content out there, get some fast page 1 rankings, syndicate your content to over 30 different sites at once, very easily, and 100% hands-free with Syndlab. So we look forward to having you on board and joining our community. So go ahead and choose the package that's right for you.